This book by Lakshman, who was the head of AI solutions in Google, gives you on-point practical tips and tricks that you can use in your code or in your machine learning, deep learning project. I treat it as my senior developer who's always sitting on my desk and waiting to help me or guide me through my project. So let's go through the book and see the contents together. This is the book from outside, and here you can see the author name. And it starts with telling you what is the meaning of design patterns and why should you use it and when you will need it, and then go through put your code together. And my favorite is model training design patterns. I have used it many times in my code. And this special thing here, hyperparameter tuning design pattern, I used it recently in my code. It goes through batch serving, continued model evaluation, two-phase prediction. Then start with reproducibility design patterns. Then goes to responsible AI, where he speaks a little bit about explainable AI. And then gives you tips and tricks of how can you combine these design patterns together in your system. One of the best thing about this book that it tells you about where should you use specific patterns together. For example, if you are doing a computer vision project, you may use a reframing design pattern, neutral class design pattern, and cascade and two-phase projection design pattern. So it gives you very on-point practical tips of how to use some of the most famous design pattern in machine learning and deep learning. And I would recommend you to have it on your desk all the time when you are coding or trying to think about how to design your project. Thanks a lot, and let's meet in a new book review. Data science book reviews are always talking about introductory books. This book here